Check out this 2006 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes 4-wheel drive, driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Memory settings are just one of the extras. Call today to schedule a test drive.